Drones come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from small handheld models to larger aircraft capable of carrying heavy payloads. They are equipped with multiple rotors or propellers that provide vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, stability, and maneuverability during flight. Some drones also feature cameras. Sensors, and other specialized equipment depending on their intended purpose. The applications of drones are vast and diverse. They are used in industries such as photography and videography, where they offer unique aerial perspectives for capturing breathtaking shots.